Cloud 3D Print's Project Management module is designed to optimize your 3D printing workflow. You can create projects and upload 3D model files for that project to keep track of the printing progress. All 3D model files and G-code files will be analyzed by Cloud 3D Print for your ease of mind. Organize your projects your way. You can easily manage multiple projects, change cover images for each project, assign categories. Teamwork has never been so easy. Share, download, upload, and access all your files on the cloud. The summary feature will let you know the total file number and size, device and printer number, print job number, and printing history. All provided and kept for you to access anytime, anywhere. We designed the management system to improve your 3D printing workflow in the easiest and least intrusive way possible. Regarding our powerful project management platform, please visit us at cloud3dprint.com.